Hey everybody, Chris here from Team Protocase, and in this week's Proto Tech Tip we have something new and something exciting to share. We're going to talk about a new feature inside my account, the Instant Quoter. Our goal is to provide you with all of the tools that you need so you can work as efficiently as possible when you're sourcing custom parts and enclosures. Now, to make your lives easier, we've introduced a new feature in my account which allows you to instantly get a price quote for sheet metal enclosures, panels, and parts. So let's waste no more time, let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do if you already have an account is to log into my account. But if you don't have an account, that's fine. Registration is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, click on the Instant Quoter option next to the other options such as Track Order, Template Generator, etc. Clicking on Instant Quoter will take you to a web page where you can either upload or drag and drop your CAD files. So you can upload CAD files made on any software of your choice, so long as it's a STEP or IGES file. Once you upload or drag and drop your file, it will process quickly and you should be able to get a quote instantly within seconds. You can change quantity and service level if you wish, but when you do so, please remember to click on Update to get a revised quote. You can get the quote delivered to your email if required. So when you are satisfied with your quote and you are ready to order, you can click on Purchase to go through with the ordering process. But in some instances, you might not be able to get an instant quote right away. This can happen due to two reasons. In the first scenario, the Instant Quoter will detect that your design has features or elements that may potentially exceed our design parameters. In this case, you will still get a price estimate, but you will need to proceed to submit a Request a Quote form. Our team will then manually review your design and assess if the price estimate the Instant Quoter showcased is still accurate. Then an account manager or a member of our support team will reach out to you with an updated quote and get your approval before proceeding with the order. Moving on to a second scenario where the Instant Quoter may not be able to give you a quote, instead it will ask you to input a Request a Quote form directly. Now there are a few situations which can lead to this scenario, and these include if CNC machined parts are involved, if your part's metal thickness is greater than decimal 25 inches, if your design has plastics in it, if your design has tapped holes or countersinks, if there are internal flanges, and if there's a substandard step file. Now you might wonder what constitutes a substandard step file. Well, at times the file that's been provided may visually resemble sheet metal, but it may not be recognized as such by the Instant Quoter. So if you do run into problems like these, we do recommend that you carefully review the file for any potential issues or discrepancies. Always ensure that the file accurately represents the intended sheet metal design. If you still face any issues though, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Also, an important point to note is that in step files, graphics are actually defined as a pocket. So if your file includes graphics, you should ensure that your pocket is less than 5/1000 of an inch. This is because if the depth is greater than that, Instant Quoter won't detect your graphics and your design won't be priced accurately. And what if you require more customization to your design than what the Instant Quoter can assess for pricing? For example, as is the case with all 3D models, welding cannot be detected by the Instant Quoter, so you'll need to specify this through the Request for Quote form. In such circumstances, select Yes to the question that asks, do you require more customization on your design under Additional Info? This will help you get a fully fleshed out quote based on everything that you require for your part. Now, if you've used our RFQ form before, this will look very familiar. It is essentially the same interface, except in this case, you do not have to re-upload your file. Everything that you enter in this form, as well as your design file, will be submitted as a Request for Quote to our team. Here, you can confirm or modify information about the product with regards to material and finishes. Additionally, you are required to give us some extra details about the project, including timelines. Our team will then go through your design and get back to you with a price quote within 1 business day. So if you do have any queries, feedback, suggestions with regards to Instant Quoter, please feel free to let us know by emailing us at info@protocase.com or reach out to your Protocase account manager directly. And remember, with Protocase, you can revolutionize your workflow and simplify your part sourcing with the world's fastest custom manufacturer. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you love this content, do not miss out on new videos by subscribing to our channel for weekly tech tips and much more. Until then, take care of yourselves and keep on innovating.